How to find inbox on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your phone, and after that you have to open it in your Android. Now you can see this is the desktop of your TikTok app, and at the bottom there are different options like home, friends, plus mark, inbox, and the profile. How you can find the inbox option. Before moving to the inbox, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on this inbox and you can see your inbox, and different chats and people will appear here in which you would like to make it your friends or want to add it in your chat box. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.